I'm going to start to fill this in with all of my treasures. If some are too big or too small, I can break them. And you can do it however you want. I might try to do it symmetrical, the same on one side as the other. That's what symmetrical means. Maybe I'll put a rock right in the middle. Maybe I'll do a pattern. And just keep going. I want you to fill in your whole tracing with glue, lots of glue, and make a beautiful collage. Then send a picture, ask your parents to send a picture to the transition email, and we will put them all in the newsletter. Okay, I hope you guys had fun with this. I miss you. Bye.